What's up everybody, it's Adam. I'm so excited to have you all back here with me. We're back at it again with another video, and this time we're diving into a topic that's super important to all of us: making money while traveling. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or just starting out, this is something everyone can benefit from. Let's be real, traveling can get expensive, but it doesn't have to break the bank. With the right tools and strategies, you can actually make money while you're on the road. I've got 10 awesome apps that can help you earn some cash while you're exploring the world. These apps are game changers and can really make a difference in your travel budget. We're talking side hustles, sharing economy gigs, freelance opportunities, you name it. There's something for everyone, no matter your skills or interests. So if you're ready to make your travels a little easier on the wallet, stick around because things are about to get interesting. Trust me, you won't want to miss this. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's great to see so many familiar faces and new ones too. Today we're diving into the top 10 apps that can help you earn money while traveling. These apps are not only useful, but also super easy to use. Whether you're a digital nomad or just looking to make some extra cash on the go, these apps have got you covered. So let's get started and explore these amazing tools together. First up, we've got Workaway, an incredible platform that opens up a world of opportunities. Now this app is all about connecting with people all over the world who need an extra pair of hands. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or just starting out, Workaway offers something for everyone. You could be helping out on a picturesque farm in Tuscany, surrounded by rolling hills and vineyards, or teaching English to eager students in a vibrant classroom in Thailand, or even lending a hand at a lively hostel in Costa Rica, meeting fellow travelers and sharing stories. The best part is, you get free room and board in exchange for your work. Imagine staying in a cozy room and enjoying delicious meals with locals. It's a fantastic way to immerse yourself in a new culture, meet amazing people, and save a ton of money on accommodation and food. You'll be living like a local, experiencing the true essence of the place. Plus, you'll be picking up valuable skills along the way. From language skills to hands-on activities, the learning opportunities are endless. I mean, who wouldn't want to learn how to make cheese from scratch in the beautiful Italian countryside? It's a win-win situation, offering both adventure and personal growth. Next, we've got Hitchhiker, an app that lets you monetize your road trips. Let's say you're driving down the California coast or cruising through the Scottish Highlands. Why not offer rides to other travelers heading in the same direction? You set the price, they book a seat, and boom, you're making money while sharing the journey. It's a great way to meet fellow adventurers, split the cost of gas, and maybe even make some new friends along the way. Plus, it's way more fun than driving alone. Now, if you're like me and love having your own space while traveling, then you've got to check out House Sitter. This amazing app is a game changer for travelers who want to save on accommodation costs while enjoying the comforts of a real home. This app connects travelers with homeowners who are going out of town and need someone to look after their place. It's a win-win situation where you get free accommodation, and they get peace of mind knowing their home is in good hands. You could be living it up in a penthouse apartment in London, enjoying the stunning city views and luxurious amenities, a cozy cottage in Ireland surrounded by beautiful countryside and charming local culture, or even a beachfront villa in Bali, all for free. Imagine waking up to the sound of waves and having the beach just steps away. It's like having a home away from home, with all the comforts and none of the costs. You can cook your own meals, relax in a cozy living room, and truly unwind. Plus, you get to experience what it's really like to live like a local. You can explore the neighborhood, make new friends, and immerse yourself in the local culture, making your travel experience even more enriching. For all my language enthusiasts out there, Tandem is the app for you. This awesome platform lets you connect with people from all over the world who want to learn your native language. You can chat with them via video call, help them with their pronunciation, and share your culture. The best part is, you get paid for it. It's a fun and rewarding way to brush up on your language skills, make new friends, and earn some extra cash while you're at it. Now, you might know Couchsurfing as the go-to app for free accommodation, but did you know you can actually make money with it too? That's right, Couchsurfing is all about connecting with people and sharing experiences. So why not offer guided tours of your city, cooking classes featuring your favorite local dishes, or even photography workshops? You can charge a fee for your services and share your passion with fellow travelers. It's a fantastic way to earn some extra income while showing off your hometown pride. Okay, this one's a classic for a reason. Airbnb is a game changer when it comes to making money while traveling. If you've got a spare room, an entire apartment, or even a treehouse, seriously, you can list it on Airbnb and rent it out to travelers. You set the price, manage bookings, and interact with guests all through the app. It's a fantastic way to earn passive income while you're off exploring the world. Plus, you get to meet people from all walks of life. Next up, we've got TaskRabbit, the ultimate app for getting things done. With TaskRabbit, you can sign up to complete tasks for people in your local area. We're talking about things like furniture assembly, cleaning, handyman work, and even grocery shopping. It's a great way to use your skills to earn some extra cash on the side, and you can set your own hours. Alright, let's be real. Who doesn't love food delivery? With apps like Postmates and Uber Eats, you can become a delivery driver and get paid to bring delicious food to hungry people. The best part is, you can do it on your own schedule and explore different parts of your city while you're at it. Plus you get to try out new restaurants and maybe even snag some free samples along the way. Attention all you photographers and Instagram enthusiasts. Fope is the app for you. This platform lets you sell your photos to brands and individuals all over the world. So, if you've got a knack for capturing stunning landscapes, mouth-watering food shots, or unique cultural moments, you can upload your photos to Fope and start earning money from your passion. It's a great way to monetize your travel memories and share your perspective with the world. Last but not least, we've got GigWalk, an app that lets you earn money by completing small local gigs. These gigs can range from checking prices at stores to verifying product displays to taking photos of local businesses. It's a fun and flexible way to make some extra cash while you're out and about, and you'll get to know your city even better in the process. And there you have it, folks. 10 awesome apps that can help you make money while traveling the world. Whether you're looking to save on accommodation, share your skills, or simply earn some extra cash on the side, there's an app out there for you. So, what are you waiting for? Download these apps, start exploring, and make your travel dreams a reality without breaking the bank. Don't forget to subscribe for more travel tips and adventure inspiration. Until next time, keep exploring and keep creating.